Hello all. Welcome to Code with Hannah. In this video, you will see the top 5 website tutorial on my YouTube channel. It's free to watch. Audi car web design, business website, portfolio website, music website design, and last but not the least, vegan restaurant website design. So, let's begin.
In this website, I have created a header section with an images and some text. Next, I have added a video. In this section, I have divided these into 3 parts. After that, I have created another section with some text and a button with beautiful hover effect. In the next section, I only add an image. In the last section, I displayed a grid template and divide these into 3 parts. One also created a simple footer. You can see how beautiful this web design is looking. After the header section, I have created another section with some text and buttons. I have added cool hover effects on my buttons. In the end, I have created a section with a question and a submit button and a simple footer section. Here you see how your portfolio website will look like. I have created a logo text at the top left corner of the screen, and you see the images is on the left side and text is on the right side. I also add some animation to make my website look cool. Here is the About section. On the left side I added an images and on the other part some text. I have created another blog section in which I post my own blogs posts from my website. You must go and check my blog site. I will give you the link in the description below. This is the last section, contact section in my design, and in the end I created a small footer section. This is a music beat website design. In the header I have set a background and some text and a button with cool hover effects. After that, I have created a section with an image on right side and text on left side. You can get the source code link to the description box. You can see how much good these images and text are looking. In this section, I display grid to divide them into 3 parts. I add transition effects on my buttons. In the end, you see a small and decent footer with some text. This is a vegan restaurant website. I have created a beautiful navigation bar with cool hover effect. The header contains some images. After that, I have created another section with some text and a button. Next, I created our staff section with an image of the chef. After multiple sections, I created a decent footer.